Welcome to our channel. If you want to access premium features on messaging platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, Discord Nitro, or Telegram Premium through free trials, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Choose the messaging platform whose premium features you want to try, such as Slack's paid plans, Discord Nitro for enhanced Discord experience, or Telegram Premium for additional features. Step 2. Visit the official website of your chosen messaging platform or open their app to find information about premium plans and available free trial offers. Step 3. Look for Try Premium Free, Start Free Trial, or Upgrade buttons, which typically lead to information about trial periods available for premium subscriptions or workspace upgrades. Step 4. Review what premium features are included in the trial, such as increased file upload limits, advanced search capabilities, video calling enhancements, custom emoji, or administrative tools. Step 5. Click the Trial Activation button to begin registration or upgrade your existing free account. You may need to create a new account or sign in to your current account to proceed. Step 6. If setting up a premium workspace for Teams, enter your organization information, including team size and intended use case, to ensure you're trying the appropriate plan level. Step 7. Provide payment information by entering your credit card details or selecting a business payment method if upgrading a team workspace. Your payment method won't be charged during the trial period. Step 8. Start using premium features immediately, exploring enhanced functionality across your messaging platform. Set reminders to evaluate whether the premium features justify the cost before your trial expires. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.